Hello tech enthusiasts. Today we are going to delve deep into the legacy boot process in a BIOS-based computer system. We'll break it down step by step and explore the key components involved: BIOS, MBR, bootloader, kernel, and the operating system. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how a computer starts up. Let's get started. First up, we have the BIOS, which stands for Basic Input Output System. The BIOS is firmware stored in a chip on your motherboard. It's responsible for initializing hardware components, performing a power-on self-test, and providing basic input/output functions for your computer. Now let's talk about the MBR, or Master Boot Record. The MBR is a tiny bootable partition located on your hard drive or SSD. It contains essential information about the disk's partition and the location of the bootloader. Next in our boot process is the bootloader. The bootloader is a program that lets you choose which operating system to load. It's stored in the MBR or a separate boot partition. Popular bootloaders include Grub for Linux and the Windows Boot Manager for the Windows system. Once the bootloader does its job, we move on to the kernel. The kernel is the core of the operating system. It manages hardware resources, memory, and runs essential system processes. It's like the brain of your computer. Finally, we arrive at the operating system. The operating system, whether it's Windows, Linux, or any other operating system, loads after the kernel initializes. It provides the user interface and runs the applications. Let's put it all together. When you power on your computer, the BIOS kicks in first, followed by the MBR, which locates your bootloader. The bootloader lets you choose an OS, which then loads its kernel. Finally, you are presented with the familiar operating system. It's worth noting that modern systems often use UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, instead of BIOS. UEFI offers advanced features and security, but the basic boot process remains familiar. It provides a more graphical interface, faster boot times, and improved security features. Now that you understand the boot process, let's briefly discuss troubleshooting boot issues. Common issues can be resolved by checking hardware connections, adjusting BIOS settings, or using bootable media to repair or reinstall your operating system. In conclusion, the legacy boot process in BIOS-based computer systems involves a sequence of crucial steps: BIOS initialization, MBR activation, bootloader selection, kernel launch, and the operating system loading. Understanding this process can help you diagnose and fix boot-related problems. Thanks for joining us on this tech journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of tech. Stay curious and keep exploring. See you next time.